Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, the topic is going to be prime numbers. So prime numbers as a topic is introduced during middle school when the lesson factors and multiples is being taught to children. Because for doing prime factorization, one needs to be aware of prime numbers as such. And as teachers, parents, as adults, we have observed many a times that children find it very difficult or they struggle in remembering prime numbers as such. So here in this video, we have tried to make the same task or the same process very simple. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers that are divisible by 1 and the number itself. They have only two factors. Example, if I take the number 2, it has only two factors, that's 1 and 2. So the number 2 can be divided or is divisible by 1 and the number itself. So what are the properties of prime numbers? As already told, prime number is a whole number is greater than 1. It has exactly two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. There's only one even prime number, that is 2. So this is a significant point that needs to be noticed by any child as such. All prime numbers are odd numbers. It's only the number 2 which is an even prime number. Any two prime numbers are always coprime to each other. So what is coprime, what is twin prime numbers, all this will be discussed later on in the video. Every number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. So this is what we talk about prime factorization. When we talk of prime numbers, it's very keen and important to also talk about composite numbers as such. So what are composite numbers? Composite numbers are numbers which have more than one factor. Example, if I take the number 10, it has factors, that is 1, 2, 5 and 10. So 1 into 10 is 10. So 1 and 10 become its factors. 2 into 5 is 10. So 2 and 5 become its factors. So the number 10 is divisible by 1, 2, 5 and 10 as such. Now what are the properties of composite numbers? Numbers will have more than two factors. Numbers are evenly divisible by their factors. Every composite number is a factor of itself. The smallest even composite number is 4 and the smallest odd composite number is 9. So these are the properties of composite number as such. So now let's find out the prime numbers between 1 to 100. So there are totally 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. To do so, let's take 10 numbers at a time to find the prime numbers. For example, prime numbers between 1 to 10, prime numbers between 11 to 20, so on and so forth. So now to find out the prime numbers between 1 to 10, let's just see. As already seen, 1 is a unique number. It's neither prime, neither it is composite. 2, 3, 5 and 7 are the prime numbers between numbers 1 and 10. So which are those numbers? I repeat again. 2, 3, 5 and 7 are the prime numbers between 1 and 10. Whereas number 4, number 6, number 8 and number 10 are composite numbers as such. As already told, all even numbers are composite numbers. And what are even numbers? Numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are even numbers. Therefore, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are composite numbers. We are left out with one more number, that's number 9. And 9 also is a composite number as it is a multiple of 3. 3 3s are 9. Therefore, 9 is also a composite number. Moving further, prime numbers between 11 and 20. So which are those numbers? 11, 13, 17 and 19. So 11, 13, 17, 19 are the prime numbers between 11 and 20. So which are the even numbers? 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So all of them will become composite numbers. We are left out with number 15. 15 is again a multiple of 3 and 5. So in 3 tables and 5 tables we get 15. Hence it's a composite number. Moving further, prime numbers between 21 and 30. So which are those numbers? 23 and 29. 23 and 29 cannot be divided by any other number as such except for 1 and the number itself. Hence they are prime numbers. Now in this, between these numbers, if you see, the even numbers are 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. Right? So all of them will become composite numbers. Now 21 and 27 are multiples of 3. 21 and 27 are multiples of 3. That is 3 sevens are 21, 3 nines are 27. So both of them become composite numbers. Now we are left out only with one more number, that is 25. 5 fives are 25. So it's a multiple of 5. Hence again it becomes a composite number. Hope everyone is clear so far. Now let's see. Prime numbers between 31 and 40. So which are those prime numbers? 31 and 37. There are only two prime numbers in this range. Now 32, 34, 36, 38 and 40. 32, 34, 36, 38 and 40 are again even numbers and they are multiples of 2 and they become composite numbers. 33 and 39 are again multiples of 3. 33 is a multiple of 3 because 3 11s are 33. 39 is again a multiple of 3. Hence, it will become like 3 13s are. 3 13s are is 39. Hence, both of them are again composite numbers. 35 is a multiple of 5 and 7. Is a multiple of 5 and 7. 5 sevens are 35. So, again it will become a composite number. So, prime numbers between 41 and 50. So, which are those numbers? 41, 43 and 47. 41, 43 and 47 are the prime numbers in this range. 42, 44, 46, 48 and 50 are all even numbers, multiples of 2 and they become composite numbers as such. We left with two numbers, 45 and 49. Which are the numbers we left out? 45 and 49. 45 again is a multiple of 5. 5 nines are 45. And it's a composite number. 49 is a multiple of 7. 7 sevens are 49. Hence it will become a composite number. Moving further, prime numbers between 51 and 60. Which are those prime numbers? 53 and 59. There are again only two prime numbers in this range. So 52, 54, 56, 58 and 60 are again composite numbers. 51, 51 and then 57 and 55. We left out with these three numbers. So 51 is a multiple of 3, right? 3 17s are 51 and 57 is again a multiple of 3. 3 19s are 57, right? Hence, being multiples of 3, again they are composite numbers. They have more than 2 factors. And 55. 55 is a multiple of 5 and also 11. So, 5 11s are 55. Hence, it's a composite number. Quickly moving forward. Prime numbers between 61 and 70. So, which are those? 61 and 67. So, these are only two prime numbers in this range. Again, 62, 64, 66, 68 and 70 are all even numbers. Hence, they are composite numbers. We are left out with 63, 69 and we are left out with 65. 63 and 69 is a multiple of 3. So, it will go in 3 tables as such. So 321s are 63, and then 323s are 69. Hence both are again composite numbers. Left with 65. So 65 is again a multiple of 5. So 5 13s is 65. Hence it's a composite number. Moving further, 71 to 80. So which are the prime numbers here? 71, 73, and then 79. We have three prime numbers in this range. 72, 74, 76, 78, and 80 are all even numbers, multiples of 2, hence they become composite numbers. So we are left out with two numbers over here, that is 75 and 77. We left out with two numbers, that is 75 and 77. So 75 is a multiple of 5, that is 5 15s is 75. 77 is a multiple of 7, 7 11s are 77. Hence both become composite numbers. Prime numbers between 81 and 90. Which are those numbers? 83 and 89. And 82, 84, 86, 88 and 90 are all even numbers and they become composite numbers. Now, which are the numbers left out? 81, 81 and 87 and 85. So 81 is again a multiple of 3. 3 into 27 becomes 81. And also 9 nines are 81. So 81 has many factors. So it's a composite number. 87 is again a multiple of 3. 3 29s are 3 29s are is 87. It's a composite number. 85 is again a multiple of 5. 5 into 17. 5 into 17 becomes 85. So it's again a composite number. Moving further. The last range of numbers, that's 91 to 100. Over here we have only one prime number, which is 97. The remaining nine numbers are all composite numbers as such. So 92, 94, 96, 98 and 100, we know they are all even numbers, they're composite numbers. Now we are left out with which other numbers? 91 we are left out with. We are left out with 93, 95 and 99 as such. So 91 is a multiple of 7. 7 13s is 91. Hence it becomes a composite number. 93 and 99, that is 93 and 99. Both of them are multiples of 3, right? So 3 into 31 is 93, right? And for 99, it is 3 into 33 or you say 9 into 11. Anything you take, it's again a composite number. It has more factors. 99 has more factors. 95 is a multiple of 5. 5 into 19. 5 into 19 is 95. Hence, it's a composite number. Hope so far it's clear for everyone. Between 1 to 100, which are the prime numbers and which are the composite numbers. Here, as a quick recap, one can see all the prime numbers listed out over here. That is column wise, so that it is visually appealing and visually one can remember these prime numbers well. So all the prime numbers between 1 to 100 is given as one chart over here. There are totally 25 numbers as I have mentioned previously. We have also put it in this format also. That is, we have put a chart of 1 to 100 and highlighted only the prime numbers. 1 is highlighted in blue color. As I told, it's a unique number, neither composite, neither it is prime number as such. The remaining numbers highlighted in yellow are all prime numbers, right? And if one makes a deep observation over here, one can make out numbers ending with 1, 3, 7 and 9. Mostly they will be prime numbers as such between the 1 to 100. This is just like a small tip if one has to remember the prime numbers. So there's one more way of doing it also. When you take a chart of 1 to 100, cross out all the multiples of 2 except 2, cross out all the multiples of 3 except 3, cross out all the multiples of 5 except 5, cross out all the multiples of 7 except 7 as such. So by the time you do this, you will be left with only prime numbers in the chart. So all the crossed out numbers will become composite. The non-crossed out numbers will be prime numbers. Right? So hope this video has been useful to one and all. We have also put some pointers over here for quick recap. Now, coming to twin prime and coprime, very soon we'll be uploading one more video in which we'll be giving what are twin prime numbers, what is coprime numbers, the differentiation between both, everything. So one more detailed video will be uploaded very soon. Thanks for watching our video. Do subscribe for our channel, like, follow and share for more such videos. Thank you.